From each individual explosion-proof element to the complete range of electronic control system, and from a single product supplier and a comprehensive technical solution provider to an industrial leader. Each progress we have made derives from our profound research into and understanding about every single customer. We have always made sure that our products are user-friendly. We always work hard and continually improving product quality so that our products can adapt to more severe environment. Throughout the course of innovation and continuous development, CZ is determined to guarantee safety. Safety derives from consummate technology. We strive for superior design and R&D ability, professional technical force, with the supporting of best development software, cutting-edge testing equipment, and profound communication and cooperation with a large number of industrial players. The paramount meaning about safety lies in the details that are neglected by others, but are treasured by us. Only by ensuring high-quality R&D design at the beginning can the safety be recognized and desired by customers, and therefore ensure our leading position in the market. Safety derives from rigorous production. It is CZ's unremitting pursuit to be strict with each material, production process, and craftsmanship. The unique garden-like plant, in its perfect form, defines the best specification of the product. With a complete set of equipment and facilities, CZ not only meets all requirements for developing high-grade products, but also attaches great importance to product safety and quality. Safety derives from precise management. CZ, with a standardized management and control system applied in all stages of production and specialized management, is able to identify the tiniest problems of the product, eliminate all the worries of the customers with a sophisticated running system, adopting a benchmark higher than that is required by industrial standard. We guarantee the safety and high quality in all our products. Safety derives from customers' trust. What safety reviews is a kind of great accomplishment as well as honorable conduct. With its increasingly complete marketing network and a dedicated young but professional sales team, CZ has won customers' trust through its warm, considerate, sincere, and professional services. We are committed to providing all customers in the world with the unparalleled security from using CZ products and services, and we hope that both customers and the company can achieve win-win from each cooperation. Ensure safety now and in the future. Safety is not only found in every single detail of the product and service concept, but also should be the faith of every CZ employee. CZ is actively involved in building corporate culture so that the safety concept is passed on to all employees and their dedication can be founded in safe products. As long as the society is developing, people's demand for explosion-proof products will never end. Whether at present or in the future, safety is our forever commitment to all customers and is the guidance and motivation for the continuous development of CZ Company. Safety is paramount. CZ will be devoted to the accomplishment of this mission and be responsible for the safety of all customers in the world. You may count on CZ for explosion-proof products as they are safer, more endurable, and more assuring.